Alright, this exercise is the 90-90 hip lift. I'm going to put my heels up on a bench. Okay, and the first thing that I want to do is just make sure that I have my breathing in correct. So I'm going to put one hand on my belly and one hand on my stomach. I'm going to breathe in and exhale. What I want is for these 2 points to kind of rise at the same time. So I'm going to press my back into the ground, put a little bit of tension in my abs. It's going to constrain my belly from rising quite as much, but this is what we're looking for. So I'm going to get a little bit more air in my chest. I'm going to breathe in and exhale through my mouth. This is from blowing through fog. So that's the way we want to breathe. From here, we're going to initiate a pelvic tuck by pressing the back into the grounds, kind of tucking the tailbone or just rolling the tailbone slightly off the grounds, and digging my heels down so I feel the back of both legs. I'm going to reach up with my arms. I'm just going to take a deep breath in through my nose, keeping tension in my abs, pausing at the top, and then exhaling through my mouth as if I'm blowing through fog. I'm going to try to keep these same muscles on and perform 5 breaths in this position, pausing between inhale and exhale. Breathe in. Silently through the nose, exhale. Through the mouth, pause between each breath.